Next question 95. An agreement, the meaning of which is neither certain nor is capable of being certain, is correct option is option D, void. Next question, question number 96. Match list with list second and give correct answer by using the code given below the list. Correct option is option A. Next question 97. Under which one of the following article of the Constitution of India the Supreme Court has power to review its own decision? Correct option is option B, Article 137. Next question 98. In November 2021, which one of the following has launched a new journal, Solar Compass, to enhance research on the use of solar power? Correct option is option B, International Solar Alliance. Next question 99. The expression disaffection used in section 124A of the Indian Penal Code includes. Correct option is option A, disloyalty and all feelings of enmity. Next question 100. Russian invasion on Ukraine violates which article of the UN Charter? Correct option is option A, Article 2, Clause 4. Next question 101. For the validity of a contract, which of the following elements are necessary? Correct option is option A, 1, 1, 2, and 4. Intention to create legal relationship, knowledge of the offer, and 4. Acceptance of the offer. Option 3. Writing of the agreement is not a requirement for a valid contract. 102. Which of the following is an exception to the maxim ubi just ibi remedium? Correct option is option B, imperfect right. Next question 103. Matching question, match to list 1 with list 2. Correct option is option B. Next question 104. Legal terminology res nullus is used for. Correct option is option B, ownerless property. 105. No appeal shall lie from a decree passed by the court with the consent of the party. It is provided. Correct option is option C, section 96, clause 3. Next question. Matching question. Correct option is option A. Question 107. Correct option C. Which article of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948 grant right to life, liberty and security of person? The answer is Article 3. Question 108. Which section of CRPC has provision for cancellation of warrant? Correct option is option B, under section 70. 109. Assertion and reason. Assertion is inquiry precedes trial. Reason being Trial is the third stage of criminal proceeding. Correct option is option B. A and R both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question 110. Which of the following combinations are correctly matched? Correct option is option D 1, 2, and 3. 4 is not correct combination. 111. Correct option is option C. 112. Which one is the correct sequence from the following as implied in the Indian Contract Act? Correct option is option B. A, E, C, D, P. Next question 113. Match list first with list second. Correct option is option A. 114. A is a national champion of swimming in pond. He could have saved the child but did not do so. The child drowned. Is A guilty of? Correct option is option D. No offense. 115. Correct option is option B. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Short title of the Constitution. This is the incorrect answer. 116. Subject to subsection 2 of section 64 of Code of Civil Procedure, a private alienation of property after attachment is correct option is option A. Void. Next question. Correct option is 117 option D. 118. Disclosure of the identity of a rape victim is punishable under the following section of IPC. Correct option is option B. 119. Which of the following is correctly matched? Correct option is option D. Responsibility of finder of goods section 71. Next question. The case of Tweddle versus Atkinson is related to. Correct option is option A. Privity of contract. 121. Point out the correct answer. Correct option is option A. An agreement enforced by law is a contract. Next question. This is matching question. Correct option is option B. A. Doctrine of subrogation in section 92. Doctrine of consideration in section 61. doctrine of accumulation in section 17, and doctrine of lispendence in section 52. Next question 123. When transfer of property by the owner is dissented under section 35 of transfer of property, under which circumstances compensation should be given to disappointed transferee. Select the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Only 1, 3 and 4. Question 124. Correct option is option C. Next question 125. Correct answer is option C. Equal justice and free legal aid in Article 39A, Constitution of Parliament in Article 79, separation of judiciary from executive in Article 50, fundamental duty in Article 51A. That is the correct option. 126. Quadrilateral Security Dialogue Summit 2022 was held at which place? Correct option is option D. Japan. Japan was host country of Quad Summit. Next question 127. Who had the authority to fix scales of monthly allowances payable for subsistence of judgment debtor? Correct option is option C. State government. Section question number 128. Correct option is option A. Hostile witness has been provided in section 154. Dying declaration in section 32 clause 1 Indian Evidence Act. Refreshing memory in section 159 and a leading question in section 141. Question number 129. A owes B rupees 1000, but the date is barred by the Limitation Act. A signs written promise to pay B rupees 500 on account of the date. This is a correct option is B. Contract. 130. Provision regarding adjudication of claims and objection to attached properties. Correct option is option A. Under Order 21, Rule 58 CPC. Order 21 belongs to the execution of judgments. Next question 131. The concept of living law was expounded by the which jurist? Correct option is option D. Ehrlich. 132. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, other as reason. Assertion is International Court of Justice has power to decide cases on the basis of equity. Reason being, equity is one of the general principles of law recognized by civilized nations. Correct option. Correct option is correct option is option B. Both A and R2 are the correct explanation of A. Question number 133. Correct option is option A. Question 134. A session judge under section 9 clause 2 of CRPC is appointed by the session judge is appointed by the High Court. Next question 135. Which one of the following section of Criminal Procedure Code provides that no judge or magistrate shall try any case in which he is personally interested? Correct option is option C, section 479C. Next question 136. Assertion reason. The Indian Penal Code contains certain exemptions from criminal liability. Reason being, these cannot be universal criminal liability in all circumstances. Select the correct answer. Correct option is B. A and R both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Now, question number 137. A commits theft on the property in the possession of B, and while committing theft, A has a loaded pistol under his garments kept for the purpose of hurting B in case if B resists. The offense committed by A is defined under this section of the Indian Penal Code. Correct option is option B, section 382. The evidence may be given of following facts: facts in issue and relevant facts. Correct option is option C. Question number 139. Arrange the following in the chronological ascending order as per relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code. Correct option is option A. Question number 140. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Correct option is option D. Next question 41. This is also matching question. Correct option is option D. Next question 142. The subject of criminal procedure falls in which one of the following list of the Constitution of India? Correct option C. Concurrent list. Next question. Devilal Modi versus STO is a leading case on which topic? Correct option is option B. Constructive res judicata. This has been provided in section 11, explanation 4. Next question 144. Correct option is option A. Execution of decree in section 38, letter of request in section 77, execution of decree in section 50, and institution of suit in section 26. Next question 145. This is matching question. Correct option is option A. Primary evidence has been given in section 62. public document is given in section 74. Private document section 75, and secondary evidence is given in section 63. This is the correct answer. Option A. Question 146. Under which article of the UN Charter the members of the United Nations have agreed to abide by the decision of the Security? 146. Correct option is option D. Article 25. The official language of International Court of Justice is correct option is option A. French and English. Question 148. Which article of the UN Charter provides for the expulsion of the member state? Correct option is option A. Under Article 6. Question number 149. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Correct option is option D. Next question. Next and last question. Assertion reason. Assertion is transfer in perpetuity is allowed for the benefit of public. Reason being welfare of public at large is above the welfare of individual. Correct option is option A. Both A and R both are true, and R is the correct explanation of A.